Hello friends, today's video regarding Nokia G310 5G. Nokia has introduced a new smartphone that prioritizes affordability and repairability. The Nokia G310 5G costs around $186 and includes more features than you might expect for the price. Furthermore, Nokia made the phone easier to repair, allowing you to disassemble it and replace a broken screen or battery without the need for a professional. The easier it is to repair a device, the longer you can keep it, according to Nokia, and the new G310 5G was created with this idea in mind. If you buy some genuine spare parts, instructions, and guides from iFixit, as well as a few simple tools, you can repair this phone yourself. The G310 5G's 6.56-inch, 90Hz display features a resolution of 720 by 1612. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus 5G CPU. It boasts 4 GB of RAM, which is adequate for a phone at this pricing point. A microSD card of up to 1 TB is supported in addition to the 128 GB internal storage. The phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which is a good size and should provide enough battery life. There is also 20W fast charging, which is faster than what we generally see in phones at this price. In terms of cameras, you get a 50MP primary camera, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro lens. A front-facing 16MP camera is located for snapping selfies. The Nokia G310 5G achieves the perfect blend of power and style. Because of its polycarbonate shell, aluminum chassis, and sturdy Gorilla Glass 3 display, the Nokia G310 5G lives up to the legendary durability you've come to expect from a Nokia phone. Furthermore, an IP52 rating protects you from the elements. As previously said, the phone is merely $186. If you want one, you won't have to wait long, because it will be available starting on August 24th. If you want to buy it from a carrier, Metro and Nokia both sell it straight. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.